Here are some Connect top tips about passwords. To stay safe on the internet and to protect your accounts and details, here are some rules to follow. Change your passwords often. Don't make them obvious. Don't include your name, the name of the site you are using, your date of birth, anything that is publicly known information. Do not use. For example, John Doe, born the 2nd of May 2001, should not have a password for YouTube like John YouTube 1101. Never make your password easy to guess, or use basic common passwords like password123 or even password 456 where the O is never 0. This may seem clever at first, but hackers can use code to guess many passwords in seconds, and they will start with the most common and obvious ones. Make your passwords unique to you and something you can remember. Don't write it down anywhere. Also, try not to use the same password across platforms. You can also upskill yourself via our computer classes we offer. Visit our digital skills training website for more details on how to sign up for classes and courses with our private tutors. www.it-computer-learning.online. I hope these Connect top tips have been useful. Like and share to others to stress the importance of password security, and subscribe for more helpful tips and videos. Thank you.